In this video we will show you how to copy a Buildabizonline Auto-responder campaign. Let's start by clicking on the Pro Member Tools link. Log into your autoresponder here. Select Shared Campaigns. This will open up in a new window. Leave this open for the codes we need later on. In this demonstration we will copy the campaign entitled Buildabizonline. Now to get started, navigate to the Your Campaign section in the autoresponder program. Click here to add a campaign reference name. In this demo I will type, copy of the Buildabizonline campaign. But you would type Buildabizonline. Then click Create Campaign to save it. Click here to pick a template for your new campaign. Always choose the blank template when copying a campaign. Select the Update Template option. Choose your campaigns option to go to your campaign list. Scroll down to the bottom of your list. Here is the campaign reference name you just created. Navigate to the Your Capture Page link section to see what it looks like at the moment. This is what a default page would look like. Not very nice at all. We need to copy the codes from the page we had opened in the new window. Click on Import Shared Campaigns. We need one code for this box. And another code for this one. Let's go get them. Copy this ID code. Paste it in this box. Copy the campaign passcode. Paste it in the lower box. Click to save the codes and retrieve the campaign. Click on your campaigns once more. If the codes were correct, it should look like this. We now need to finish off our campaign to make it our own. Click on your campaigns. Scroll down to our new campaign. Hover over your capture page link and in the bottom left-hand side of your page you need to note the username and your new campaign ID. Security does not permit you to see it in this video. Next, click the Settings link. Scroll down to where the capture page content is located, then find the form. Right-click over the form. You will then see the form code URL. You will need to make sure the username is yours, and that the form ID is the same as your new campaign ID. Now click OK, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Update Settings. Click the Settings option. Click on your campaign title field and add the title, Buildabizonline. Navigate to your description. In the description field, write Buildabizonline for all your affiliate marketing tools. Next, choose your keywords option and paste in some well-chosen keywords. Make sure you put a comma between each keyword. I have added Buildabizonline, marketing, tools, and keywords like that. Scroll down the page to view the yes, no field for a welcome email. I personally always choose no for this, but the choice is yours. Input the desired text. When these tasks have been completed, click Update Settings. Now, navigate to the Add, Edit Messages section. Click here. Scroll down and make sure all the messages are present. You will now need to edit each message to make sure your personal username and name is added. Each time you edit a message, it will send it to your email address so you can check it out. Also, you will need to add your name. Scroll down and make sure you edit all the messages in the campaign. To edit your messages, click on the Edit Message field. Be careful not to alter anything other than your username and personal name in the code. The username and name you need to change is usually at the bottom of each message. But go ahead and check all the way through each message. Bottom. When you've edited each message, click on Edit Message to save it. Scroll through again to search and edit each messages in turn. Change your name. And make sure you add your username. Here is another to edit. But you get the idea. When all done, select your campaigns option again. Click your capture page link to check your work and opt in to make sure you get the emails and messages. If you followed this video tutorial carefully, all should be good. Now all you need do is promote your capture page link.